Alright guys, it's Mr. Dale here again. Let's just review some of the things we talked about yesterday and get ready for work today. So once we've got our database open, we're going to see different options for tables, queries, forms, and reports. Like I said yesterday, we're not going to worry too much about queries or reports, but we will be working with tables and forms. So when we work with tables, we're always going to open our table in Design View. So I'm going to double click on that. And remember that we always need an ID or a primary key for our first field. I'm just going to type in there student ID, and I'm going to make that my primary key. To do that, I got to create it to be an integer. Okay, so I'm going to choose integer right now. And then the second thing that is really important is to make sure that we have this auto value box checked yes. So I'll click on that and I'll check yes. Once I have my primary key, I can begin to enter the other data I want for my database, beginning with probably last name, okay, and that will be text varchar. First name, that also be text varchar. Age, now we got an age, so we want to change this to a integer, okay, and our next one will be gender, and that is also text varchar. And our last one will be favorite food. Okay, we're going to make a database for these values. And I'll click text varchar here as well. Okay, once I have my database or my table done, you can come up here and click on Save. So I'll click on there, and I need to give it a name. Remember that we always begin our table name with TBL, student data Dale Daniel. Okay, and I'll save it. Once I've got my table saved, I can close out of it, and I see it's moved down here under the table section. So I'll double click on that, and here you can see that we have our auto field, our last name, first name, the age and gender and food. Today what I would like you to do is just create a simple table and enter that data with the friends that you have in your class. So do a short survey and enter that data into these boxes using your friends in the class as the data. Alright, I'll be walking around to help those that are having a difficult time, but I'm sure that you will have no problem at all since we did much of this yesterday. Okay, once you've done your table, make sure you save the database as well. Okay, and save the database, and you can close your database and you are done. Alright, thank you guys.